Now let us discuss 118 question. HCl was passed through a solution of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride and sodium chloride. HCl gas is passed through the solutions of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride and sodium chloride compounds. Which compounds crystallizes? By passing of HCl gas, three compounds, which one is crystallizes among the three? We know that the solubility of calcium chloride and magnesium chloride is greater than sodium chloride. That means these two are soluble in HCl gas, but NaCl solubility is less. Now its filtrate, sodium chloride filtrate is passed through HCl gas. It produces pure crystalline sodium chloride. So you can conclude that only sodium chloride solution is crystallized when HCl gas is passed through it. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer.